What is up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, it's going to be super quick. I need your guys' help on something, and it's for an upcoming video, and hopefully this video actually helps out a lot of you guys that are watching and potential viewers in the future. So I hope you guys can help me out. Let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll let you guys know what I need help with. Alright, you guys, so as you know, we've been doing a lot of installs onto the Tacoma, so I'm getting ready to actually finally take it out, finally start enjoying it, and just kind of get out there, you know, and see what this thing's capable of. I've tested it in the past, but nothing like what I have now. It's going to be a different test, and I'll of course make videos on that. So if you guys do have questions on anything that we've been installing, please make sure to drop them in the comments below. I have a lot of upcoming videos that are already pre-recorded. I just need to upload them. And if you guys aren't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. I'm going to try doing more giveaways this year. So basically what I needed help with is, as you guys do know, I've been installing a lot of things to it as far as weight. So like the rear bumper, I put 35s on it. I have my front bumper that's at home. I need to install it, and you know, skid plates underneath. It's just been a lot of weight added to this truck, and I still have it on stock gears. So if you guys have ever driven a Tacoma with stock gears and this much weight or more, you guys know it's horrible. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to finally be installing some gears. I'm going to go 529. So stay tuned why I'm going with 529 gears, because that's going to be an upcoming video. I'm going to show you guys the install process, and the guy that I'm going with, I'm going to have him kind of explain to each and every one of you guys why I did it and what he recommends and stuff like that. So getting to the point on what I need your guys' help with. Basically, in that video, what I want to do after we show you guys the installation, so what I want you guys to do is go ahead and comment down below. Give me a couple questions that you guys might have regarding re-gearing your truck. It doesn't matter whether it's pricing, it doesn't matter whether it's why should I go 529 or 488, or just anything in general that has to do with gearing on a Tacoma. Please make sure to comment it down below. When I go do that video and I go see him, I'm gonna have him look at all the questions, and whatever he feels comfortable with asking, or answering I should say, I'm gonna have him answer it. So your guys' question might be in that video, so make sure to stay tuned. That might be a two-part video. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but stay tuned. Be subscribed, turn that bell notification on, that way you guys you know, get that information. So like I said, this video is going to help you guys out if you guys do have questions on gearing, and of course it's going to help out a lot of other people in the future that also have questions on gearing. Believe me, before doing this, I had to ask a bunch of people a bunch of questions because I was really confused on what to do exactly and why I should go with that specific gearing and that specific brand and all that. So I hope you guys do stay tuned for that. Once again, I know we've been modding the truck like crazy, and I haven't showed you guys many of the videos because I haven't had time to upload them. And then we do have a couple other mods that I'm waiting for that still haven't came in. They're being shipped. It's just everything's back order right now, as you guys probably already know. It's COVID season, so that's what sucks. So I hope all of you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Don't forget to comment down below any questions you guys might have regarding gearing on the Tacomas. So if you guys did like today's quick video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you now. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.